Guys, we got us a 2009 E550 AMG. We've got that European license plate in the front. I like it. I like it. I like the wheels too. I like that color on them. That's pretty cool. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. Then it's got two sets of resonators. The first one is first set of right here. They look like cats, but they're actually resonators. Then we got a second set that was right here. We'll show you guys what it looks like in a minute over on the ground. We just cut it out and put a straight pipe in its place. And earlier in the year, we did a muffler delete there and there. And kept the factory AMG tips because they look a lot better. So it's an E550 AMG. There's the resonator right there that we just cut off. Give it a little bit more sound. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, much better. Wow. Again. That sounds sick. There's sound decibels. Again. Hit 115 on the sound decibels. That's awesome. Woo-hoo. These European cars, man, just hit different. It's weird. Yeah. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. Mercedes E550 AMG. I love German cars, bro.